Welcome back! My name's Amelia.
And my name's Bridie.
And we're sisters, if you didn't know that already.
So today, okay, elephant in the room, we are filming somewhere different. That is because I moved house.
Woohoo!
Yes. So because I have moved house, I have more walls that I can decorate with art pieces. And Amelia knows that I've been really wanting to do this piece for a long time. So we're gonna do a textured art piece using putty. Okay.
It's wall putty, the stuff you fill holes with.
Yeah.
So to do this project, you will need a spatula to scrape on the putty. Now, we do have an actual kitchen spatula to mold the putty, but you can use this tool. Put that picture there.
That's the tool that Amelia was meant to get from my mum's house, but she didn't get it. Yeah, so I've got some paint colors. I'm wanting to do it very like neutral, sort of like a stone, sort of earthy look. So I've got some white and I've got a brown sort of skin color, and then I've got some black just in case I want to put it in the skin color to make it not look too creamy.
Okay, so you also need some paint brushes as well. And of course a canvas.
So this is the canvas.
And this is the canvas.
Aren't they delightful? I bought these canvases at the op shop yesterday, and I bought them because canvases are really expensive usually, and these are quite large canvases. So I bought them for $17 each at the op shop, which for an op shop, kind of expensive, but also it's better than buying a full price one. So we're just gonna spray paint them white outside, and then we can start on a blank canvas, and then we're able to do the molding on it.
We spray painted all these canvases.
So we used an undercoat spray paint. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to get our putty and we're going to apply it to the canvas using our spatula. Now, I'm trying to go for a wave sort of effect, like an ocean foam look. So that's what I'm kind of gonna go for. Oh, and it's actually going on the wall behind us.
Yeah, it's gonna look really cute because as you enter the door, you can see it. It's like a focal point.
Yeah.
Really nice. This is gonna be so much fun.
I know. It's like playing like a kid.
I know. Oh, this is so, oh my gosh, this is so much fun. If you ever want something therapeutic, do this.
Okay, so we have this brand, and then we have this brand. This one's a little bit more easier to apply on. What's that one called?
She said, the lady at Bunnings said, this is more for like gyprock stuff.
Oh.
Fine, it says Uni Pro, smooth coat, fine smooth interior filling.
I might like put this stuff on and then put that stuff over it. I'm just putting, I just put like a little bit of water with the stuff that was a little bit more dry, which is the blue one. Oh, look at that. That's so much better.
Yeah, that's way better.
That's so much better. So say you have a few like lines like that, and you want them to look a little bit more like textural, not so line-like. You drag it over and it gives you that like layering effect. See all that? So that automatically it just layers even more, and you're getting rid of those lines by lightly hovering over them. In order to get the foam, I've just done this. Tap on the board. And you can use different things, so we can use this. So it's a couple days later. Amelia isn't here. I'm going to paint this by myself and the other one, there's two. We had to wait for the putty to dry overnight, so then that way it isn't soft when you're painting it, and if it was soft when you're painting it, then you lose the texture of it because it will kind of come apart. So that's dry, completely dry. It's been a couple of days, but you only need to wait for it to dry overnight. I have also cut the timber on a 45-degree angle, and I have spray painted the canvas with the same spray paint we use, which is a undercoat, and then I put it over top as well. You don't have to do that, but I'm just making sure it's like extra secure on, you know what I mean? But the paint's almost gonna do that anyway. But I did contemplate whether I wanted to have this how it already is, because it kind of looks nice, like just like plain, but I really want to try the color and the more texture and adding that bit of dimension to it. So I am going to add a little bit more color, not too much. I do have my example image that I can show you. That's the kind of color that I'm going for, just because like this color I think is one of them, of the colors that I want to go for, just because it's in my lounge room and I'm going to make some chairs that's going to go with it. So it's going to all match and come together. So let's get painting. So as a base, I'm going to put some white paint on first, and then I'm going to go and add in the texture with the color. Painting it. I'm really liking it. Like, it's exactly what I wanted. The coloring, the texture, and adding the timber with it. Like, oh, like the colors is so pretty. Like, it matches perfectly. I'm like obsessed. Okay, so I've previously cut a 45-degree angle on each timber, so that it will look nice and flush when you put them together, and it makes a corner of a frame. Now we're going to put them on with wood glue. This is liquid nails, high strength. There you go, that's what it is. I just got it from Woolworths. So that's what I'm gonna use to glue the wood on. Yeah. Let's do it. It actually looks so good.
It is so therapeutic. You need to do this.
I really recommend, and it does not take long to like whip some of the putty on a canvas.
Yeah, it's so fun. Yeah. Totally recommend it. You do small, large, or whatever.
Whatever size you want. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because we have a lot of content happening with DIYs, room transformations for the house that I'm living in right now. So,
and if you want to see a more relaxed lifestyle as well, head over to my channel, Amelia and you can see a bit of like family lifestyle vlogs, going to all sorts of things. I got a couple of cool adventures coming up, and go to Bridie's if you want to see some D&Ms and
so true.
some D&Ms and some travel vlogs as well.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram. Say hi.
Bye.
So let's
What was I
really
gonna
think
say?
about what we're saying. Putty canvas.
No.
That sounds awful. Textured canvas.
That's the word. That's what.
Eyes in. Quiet.
He dropped his dummy. It's. Eyes in.
He's talking to the toy. Do you want to pick him up?
No.
Let's go.
Yeah. White to start blend.
Okay. And it's cheap too. It's relatively. Thanks.
Yeah.
What is it called?
A scraper? I don't know.
We're very technical here.